Here's Anthony with the hiccups. Anthony. How do we take them away? How do we take up your hiccups? You don't want to drink milk? I tried burping you. Nothing works. You burp like your mom. You hiccup like your mom. Anthony looks mad. Say bye. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Oh, and today is January 2nd, 2011.